How to set up a Wix email box. So I am on the main page of Wix, and here from the sidebar we want to scroll down until we see communications. So once we see communications, we want to hover over it and go to inbox. So right here it will show us this option to set up the inbox. So message people via different channels like email, live chat, Facebook, and more. We want to click on set up inbox, and we can add our email address. So set Gmail sender address. Here we can connect with Google. So I'm just going to do this and log in into the account itself, and they can view our email and settings. So we can select all here and scroll down and click on continue. And now this will connect our email address to Wix. So we can also send ourselves a text email, or we can download the Wix app, or if we want to, we can also connect different channels, so WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, but I'm not going to do those. I've just wanted to set up my email address. So now if we actually receive an email address or an email from our Wix website, then it will go directly into our Gmail. So hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.